am doing a review and a giveaway on this Karen Latte Cakes Yarn Inspirations. And if you've never been familiar with this type of yarn, it has like a fun fur type of yarn texture to it. It's very soft, very, very soft. And it looks like it has like pink, dark pink, a light pink, and like a purple. So about 1, 2, 3, 4 different colors. And it's 58% acrylic, 42% nylon, bulky 5, 6.5 hook, elderberry. Now this, it's 8.8 ounces, 250 grams. This is a giveaway. I'm picking one person to give this away to. Of course, you could probably make so many things with this. You can make shawls, anything really, scarf. It's so soft. That's what I really like about it. And I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it, like the texture. It's got like a tiny little bit of flyaways to it. Kind of like fun fur, but not as much. Just like a really nice texture to it. And it's very soft. So I definitely recommend this type of yarn. It's super pretty. I had to grab it and I wanted to do it as a giveaway. All I ask is that you comment down below something crochet related, but also to let you know I have a new Facebook group and page because I had to start over. So if you'd like to join that, I have 2 books for sale on Amazon listed down below. And a few other promos if you want to take a look in the description. Like Knit Crate is another promo. And my Etsy store. But anyways, if you want to comment down below so you can participate in this giveaway, I'll do the random comment picker in a couple of weeks and pick the winner. And if I don't get a winner within a week, then I'll pick a new winner. I look forward to the comments, and make sure you're a subscriber. Hit the notification bell so you can catch my all my newest videos coming out. All right, so thank you for watching.
Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can watch my latest videos. Thank you for watching.